Ulta Beauty Rewards Review, Usage Experience. If you're wondering whether Ulta Beauty's rewards program is worth joining, this video is for you. Designed for beauty enthusiasts, this loyalty program offers an impressive way to earn points on every dollar you spend, both in-store and online. Here's the breakdown. For every $1 spent, you earn at least 1 point, and the more you spend annually, the higher your tier, unlocking more perks like double or triple point events, birthday gifts, and exclusive savings. Redeeming points is where Ulta stands out. Points translate directly into cash discounts, from $3 off at 100 points to $125 off with 2,000 points, making it one of the most valuable beauty rewards programs out there. My usage experience has been seamless. The Ulta app makes tracking points, accessing exclusive deals, and redeeming rewards incredibly simple. Plus, members gain early access to major sales and limited edition launches, a huge win for beauty lovers. One of the standout features is the flexibility in redemption. You can save points for bigger rewards or use them on small purchases, with no blackout dates or restrictions. It's also worth noting that Platinum and Diamond members receive free shipping on purchases over $25 and $10 respectively, adding extra value. For frequent Ulta shoppers, the program is practically a no-brainer. However, occasional buyers will still find it rewarding thanks to frequent bonus point promotions and free gifts with purchase. The program isn't just about cosmetics. Points can be earned on skincare, hair care, fragrance, and even salon services, making it incredibly versatile. That said, points do expire after a year if you're not a Platinum or Diamond member, so consistency in purchases is key. Overall, the Ulta Beauty Rewards program delivers exactly what it promises: significant savings, exclusive perks, and a highly customizable experience. If you're serious about beauty or just looking for a great loyalty program with tangible benefits, Ulta's reward system is one of the best in the industry. Try it out. It could elevate your shopping experience while saving you money on your favorite products.